Now, I want to get this outside and wash it off, but I'd really like to take it out under its own power. So, with that being the goal, I'm going to have to take the hood back off so I can get at the engine to put gas in it, because I don't have a tank in it yet. I've got to run it into the carb through a hose and a can. So that will be the next step. Then we'll get it going, drive it out, hopefully. Now we are going to have to wait a little while until I get a helper, because the hood is just sitting there and I can't take it off by myself. It's too big. So once I get a helper, we'll get that hood pulled back off, and then I'll be able to get at the engine to put gas in a gas can and in the carb and start it up. Okay folks, if this works, the car's going to move. We're going to find out. Well, that was disappointing. Sorry I don't have some sexy girl in a bikini doing the wash, but hey, I'm all I got. Besides, I'm good enough, right? You don't have to answer that. And the hood next. I know it needs to be stripped and repainted, but it deserves the respect of a wash. Now we should go into high idle because I've got no gas pedal hooked up.